Hey everybody, it's Kim Shivler. Welcome. Today we are going to look at using what's called a password manager. This is actually great for you personally. It allows you to save secure passwords so that all you have to do is log in to the password manager. And then whenever you go to sites, it will automatically log you in. So you can make those really hard passwords and not have to worry about it. As a virtual assistant, the second benefit of doing this is it's a great way to share password information, to share access without actually giving people your password, your login, etc. It's something that if your customer isn't using a password manager already, I recommend that you talk to them about it and maybe recommend this as an option. Sometimes people just want to give you a login. That's fine if that's their preference, but this is a more secure and easy way to do it. I am choosing LastPass, and the reason is you can get a free account. I'll put some notes about some of the different pricing options if you want to update, but even for just basic stuff, the free account will probably work for you. So check that out in the blog post for some more information and links to the specific pricing pages. So I'm going to accept their settings, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Get LastPass Free. All right. My account is and then the biggest thing I have to do is set this master password. Notice they have pretty hefty requirements: 12 characters, one number, one lowercase, one uppercase. So what I have to set is a master password, and this has to be something I remember, or I can put it into, for example, an encrypted Evernote and then just copy and paste it in when I need it. So what I'm going to do here is actually I'm going to write it in a text file so I can make sure it looks pretty hard. I'm going to add one manager for my security. Copy that, paste it in. I got the full strength. Paste it again. And what I would normally do, say I'm going to put it into Evernote and encrypt it, I would write my reminder to be Evernote. All right, I'm signing up. It's free. So once I've created the account, I can now install LastPass. This installs it in my browser so that I can then use it whenever I'm using the Chrome browser, and it will, pull from LastPass. The first thing I do is log into LastPass, and then it will save these. And I've now added it as an extension. So I can now log in to my LastPass. Password and log in. So it gives you some more information about how to use LastPass. I'm going to let you go through that training information. When you first start your account, you will actually be in a 30-day trial of the premium version. The premium version lets you do a lot more things like sync across devices, which remember I started with. In the future, if you want to use more than one device and sync across them, you will need to upgrade. Again, I'm going to put more notes on that in the blog post. Let's go ahead and add a password just to see how it works. Now, you can import passwords, but I'm going to just go ahead and add them one at a time, and we're just going to add one. And I'm going to click here on password. To add the information, I first have to put in the URL. We're going to log into Wave Video. Now I can put a name here specifically for Wave, and I can organize these. I can organize these into folders. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to add my username and my site password. And now it has created this. So if I want to launch this, I can click on the launch option, sign in with email, and it went ahead and logged me into my account so I can now start creating or working with my videos. Now, if I want to share this with someone, I come back to the LastPass vault, and instead of clicking on launch here, I click on the two people where it says share. And now what I do is I give someone, I enter their email address. They will then receive an invite. And when they click on that, they will be able to launch the application themselves. I do not let them view the password, because if you do, then it kind of cuts down the security. But you have that opportunity. So that's all there is to sharing a password here. And I highly recommend that you use it. It'll help you create strong passwords, easily log in, as well as share files and share access with other people. I'm Kim Shivler. I'll see you next time. Bye.